Sound effects are street, industrial or other noises which surround a person in his daily life. In our range of products, radioamateurs can find the kits from master kits, which allow you to assemble imitators of various sound effects. For example, kit NF211 imitates the sound of the broken glass. This device can be installed into a toy or used for installation of theater performances and in training games. The device is completed with a speaker rated for 8 ohm 2500 watt. The printed circuit card size is 38 to 28 mm. Kit NF423 provides parts to assemble an imitator of horn sound. This device can be installed in a toy car. It may be an ambulance or a police car. The device can be used for installation of theatre performances and in training games, as well as an element of burglar alarm. The device was developed on the modern elements base. Kit NM5021 imitates the sounds of German police cars. Horn sound is well known and identified at long distances. The device will find its application in security systems in toy production, as well as in creation different sound effects in games or installation of amateur movies. The device is equipped with a speaker. The printed circuit card size is 55 to 30 mm. Due to simple assembling and visual result, these devices are good training material. The kit will be useful for practical studies in radio electronics.